Hello my precious gems, welcome back to my channel. It feels so good to be inviting you guys again for a makeup look. So this is a very pretty colorful eye wing, muted nude pink lips, which is just like, you know, so romantic, so flirty, so pretty. And I paired it with this really pretty salwar. It's this bright yellow, you guys, and it's so beautiful, and the whole look kind of came off really well. And I kind of did a colored eye wing to match my earring, and it's actually a green wing. So if you want to learn how to do this look, you can wear this for like a festival, or like Raksha Bandhan just went by, so you could wear it for that, or something colorful, something fun. And if this is your personality, it'll definitely suit you. So I'm just going to show you guys how I got this look, and if you want to learn my tips and tricks and follow me on achieving this look, then please keep watching. I'm going to be using the Smashbox Cosmetics Primer Water. This is so beautiful to use before makeup, after makeup, during makeup. It sits so well underneath all the makeup on the skin. And for foundation, I'm using the Smashbox Cosmetics Studio Skin 24-hour Hydrating Foundation. And I'm using the buffing brush by Morphe Cosmetics in M439. And I'm just, spreading the product from inside to outside, you guys. It's such a beautiful brush. It evenly distributes the product on the skin. This brush gives such a good finish, like the foundation will look as if it's airbrushed. It's so fine, it's so beautiful, it builds the product so well, you guys. I love this brush foundation. I am just sitting here looking at myself thinking I look like a fucking ghost. Like in the camera though, I look like a ghost, right? But in the mirror, which is, it looks normal. My skin actually looks normal, but in the camera, I think it's because of the lights, you guys. I've got like super bright lights. Like, see, this is me adding one more light. I think that's making me look super washed out and all of that. But anyway, I was moving on to concealer, but I think I've got to like change my lights a little bit. What do you guys think about this light? It obviously feels better, right? I mean, look at the difference that lighting can actually make. Anyway, for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in number 25. I'm just using a tiny bit underneath my eyes, you guys. As you can see, I don't have really harsh dark circles, so I really don't need much. And to buff out the product, I'm going to be using this Morphe brush in M173. It's so beautiful to buff out the concealer. It's thickly packed, and it's so nice to distribute the product underneath the eyes, above the eyes, around the face. I love it for really concentrated blending. And I just felt like my skin, like my lips needed a little bit of lip balm, so I'm using the MD Medicated Mentholium lip balm, you guys. I love that product. And for contouring, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Cosmetics 07 foundation stick. I love this color. They have so many shade ranges, and it's so beautiful for contouring. I use it for contouring, but it's actually a foundation stick. And to blend out the product, I'm using this flat brush. I found this off of Amazon, and this brush, as you guys can see, it works so well in like blending out the contour, and it's just perfect, you guys. I love the flat edge. It hugs the cheekbones, and that's exactly why I love this brush. It doesn't have a name, it doesn't have a brand name or anything. It's just a flat brush, and I got it off of Amazon, and it's synthetic, so the product really doesn't stick to it, and it works so well around the face, around the nose and all those sharp features. It gives you a really good finish. And moving on to eyebrows, I'm using the Miss Claire eyebrow cake, and I'm just going to be using the brush that comes along with it. I'm going to go in with the lighter shade first, and then I'm going to go in with the darker shade. As you guys can see, I have really nice eyebrows, so I really don't need a lot of filling in, just a tiny bit in the front, and I have to just fill in a little bit at the back. But other than that, my eyebrows are actually pretty good, and they are in a really good shape. I'm just brushing it out, and my eyebrows are done. For eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, and I'm taking the Morphe M441 fluffy beautiful blending brush, and I'm picking up the color Demure. The eyeshadow right now is gonna go all over my eyelid, and it's also gonna go up into the crease really well. So this is just going to be that eyeshadow base that I want to create my eye look. I wanted some sort of solid frame for the eye look, so I'm just going to do a little eye wing. So I'm picking up the Nykaa Cosmetics brushstroke eyeliner pen, and this is in brush black. It's so beautiful, you guys. I love this eyeliner pen, and I'm just taking a good frame of equal eye wings. So then I can add on some eye pencil. You just basically want something for the eyeshadow to stick on, so you're just going to give it a good base. And for the base, I'm taking the black Brilliance by MAC, and I'm just going to smudge it. It doesn't have to be neat, you guys, because you're going to smoke this out with a pointed brush, right? So I'm taking a pointed brush. I think this is from Morphe again, but many brands have it, you guys. The pointed brush is M431, and I'm just smudging the whole kajal out to just have like a smoky base, so I can just add some eyeshadow on top. And I'm taking a flat brush, and I'm picking the color Daddy from James Charles palette. And this flat brush is from the Morphe Eye Obsessed collection. It does not have a name or number. So this is how it looks. And then I'm just perfecting my eye wing again. Always go back in, do the steps again and again to get enough color payoff, you guys. That's how you will achieve a proper look. So again, I'm smudging it out. Again, I'm adding color, Next, picking up this tiny blending brush and picking up the color Henna. And the blending brush's number is actually M456. And I'm just adding some color on the crease. And then I have curled my eyelashes, and I'm adding some mascara. This beautiful mascara by Nykaa Cosmetics in extreme dimension in black. It's not waterproof. It's so good. It gives me fluffy long eyelashes, and I love this mascara, you guys. So I'm going to be doing my top lashes alone, and then I'm going to tightline my top waterline, so that I have a really thick, there is no gaps in between my eye. So I'm just using the Eyetix Kajal to line on top of my waterline, and I'm also taking it down on my waterline. And then I'm going to be using some eyeshadow, some black eyeshadow, to just blend everything together and have this beautiful smoky gradient on my lower lash line. I'm also highlighting the inner corners of my eyelids. You can use any white highlighter. And then I'm putting on some mascara on the lower lash line. And this is a beautiful blush by Oriflame, you guys. It's called Fresh Pink 21649, and I'm using this beautiful brush by Morphe. Morphe makes some of the best brushes. So this Morphe brush is the E4 brush, and it's perfect for contouring or blush application. And I love this brush, you guys. And I'm going to be applying highlighter with this beautiful brush. This brush is actually the M501 highlighter brush, and I'm just picking up the Maybelline highlighter in rose gold, and I'm just applying it. It was perfect for this look, and I love highlighting my Cupid's bow. For lipstick, I'm using this beautiful Bobbi brown lipstick in Roseberry. It's this stunning pink lip, you guys. It's so romantic. It's so beautiful. If you're going on a first date, I would recommend you to wear this. Look at that. It's such a dream, right? So I'm just roughly applying it, and then I'm going to be perfecting it. Come play with me. Come. Hi, Soluma. Hi, Solunga. Come play.
Maybe our ringline use பண்றாங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு நீ யூஸ் பண்ணாம இருக்கேன்னு யூஸ் பண்ற.
I absolutely love the Nykaa Cosmetics lip liners, you guys. I'm just perfecting my lip at this point, and the look is now complete. Here is the big reveal. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you guys love this look. If you tried this look, please tag me on Instagram, and if you've got any sort of questions, doubts, or any sort of suggestions, please write it down in the comments down below. I definitely respond, and if you create this look, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see your version of it. You can use any sort of color on top. It doesn't have to be green, you guys. It could be It could be purple, pink, it could be red, it could be anything, it could even be yellow. So yeah, feel free to recreate this look and let me know in the comments down below. And also if you learned a thing or two, let me know. Any suggestions, let me know. And on that note, I did make a video about Aztec calcium bentonite clay mask. That's my previous video. So if you guys would like to see a really nice face mask and how it works and you know all of those things, please watch my video before this. And I will see you guys in my next video. So until then, please take care, please stay safe, bye.